First time on the Amtrak. Let's see how this goes. I got the business class, so we're gonna see exactly how this goes. Hey, I jet set. It's not just planes, it's trains, automobiles, anything that gets you where you need to go. I check it out. Let's go. Boom. So, made it onto the train. Business class, very spacious. We're at the end of the line and we're getting ready to pull out soon. So, let's see. Headed into Petersburg. Beautiful landscape. I keep telling you guys, Virginia is one of the most beautiful states.
Behind Dad's neighborhood.
So we're in Richmond, Virginia. We left at 1, so it took a couple hours. It's just like riding in a car. So, but you don't have to stress about anything. I think I like riding on trains now. What up, everybody? We are in DC. It's been a real good trip so far. Real peaceful, real quiet. Can't complain about it. When you do business class, they actually give you free drinks. And they have a whole cafe cart as well as a quiet cart where there's no talking or anything like that. So you can actually really travel in peace on these type of trains. So right now we're getting switched out. They're switching us. We're here in DC, and I think this line goes all the way up to New York, and they're switching out from a diesel engine to an electric engine. So they have two different types of locomotives that they operate with. Makes good time, very peaceful. Don't have to worry about stopping for traffic. So I like it. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys this update. It's not really that much scenery unless you actually go in to the station. Made it to Philly. Good trip, as you can see behind me at William Gary Station, 30th Street. This is for AMTRAK, all things rail for SEPTA, which is the Southeastern Pennsylvania Transportation Authority. So we're in Philly. This is where my trip ends. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're looking to book a trip, if you're looking to book with AMTRAK, if you're looking to book anywhere in the world, I'm your guy. Let's go. I'll help you jet set. I'll help you travel. I'll help you have the adventure of your life. I had a great week and I had a great month, despite my car going down in the middle of my vacation. But hey, things like that happen, and now I have more knowledge to help you to risk manage for situations like that. So you guys be good. I'm getting ready to get to somewhere I can get something to eat and then lay down and hang out with the family tomorrow and the weekend and then get ready for school. So you guys be great. I Just Said Travel Experience Forecast Show. I'm gone.